Ladies and gentlemen, anytime we see yellow in the accumulated rainfall chart, it is officially a red alert. And so, California and West Coast, you guys are on red alert for the next week and the upcoming days, as you guys are going to be getting hit hard by an atmospheric river or two or three. And hey, Midwest USA, Monday and Tuesday, you guys are also kind of on a red alert for ice. That's right, you've got ice moving through multiple states, and that is going to cause some big problems. So please be careful, stay aware, and don't drive on ice unless you're like the Ice Master, ? The weather pattern is full, Ghost Rider. And on top of that, over the next few hours, we will be watching over Oklahoma, Arkansas, and parts of Texas for severe weather, possibly tornadoes, straight line winds, hail, and funkery. But if you're looking at this with me, we are reaching what is kind of like you have a peak hurricane season. This is kind of peak winter storm season. So the next 2 weeks should be pretty crazy weather-wise. We're talking up to 5 feet of snow possible in Nevada. That's a lot of snow. And so, buckle up, get your boots and your mittens ready, because it's going to get a bit wild. And then there's the freezing fog, which will be around. So just be aware, okay? But you can see a lot of these places are going to be getting a lot of snow, some ice, and just mixed precipitation across the board. We've got 3 sunspots and a plage right now, so we'll be looking out for solar activity as well. This is what we do. Reiterate again, here's kind of your danger zone for the evening. So if you're in the danger zone, just keep your head up and stay aware. Zell Arts showing us we've got a tall and decent line of storms moving through West Texas right now. Yeah, the Wednesday afternoon and evening atmospheric river in Southern California looks like it will be extremely eventful. And it's a weird one that's really just going to fire hose the same place for like 24 hours. So be aware and remember there was a pretty bad wildfire season in 2020. Radar Omega giving us a look at the composite radar from the latest run on the HRR model. A surface low is forecast to move across the southern plains, bringing a threat of large hail, damaging winds and portions to Texas and Oklahoma late tonight and early Monday. And so this kind of kicks off the storm parade, and then we get the storm moving in to the west coast, and that storm will go south and then move up and in. So it's going to be a stormy week, my friends. And yes, Reed Timmer is letting us know we even have water spouts in San Diego on the horizon. So it's going to be a weird, wild, and wacky week. And on top of that, the earthquakes have been off the chain. We've had 10 6s and like 2 7s in January, and we've still got a week left in this month. You had solar action on top of that. Industrial engineer Irene Quiores. Wow, a big leap of magnetic filament southeast side of the sun. That's pretty crazy. The sun is strange in its own beautiful way. That's a pretty big filament, man. But yeah, 48 to 60 inches of snow possible in the Donner Pass. Snow forecast Tuesday through Friday morning. Sacramento, Eureka, Medford. Higher elevation travel is discouraged during this storm. If you must travel, pack chains and be prepared for significant winter weather conditions. So that'll be over on like the California Nevada Pass, I think. I don't know. Sometimes my geography leaves a little to be desired. Isn't Donner Pass where the people ate people? Oh man, I didn't want this video to get dark. It's Sunday. Map pace. Visible satellite shows the next storm system, which is stronger and much colder, dropping down the west coast. The dots of clouds off the coast of Northern California, Oregon, and Washington are cumulus clouds and indicate cold air is moving in behind the storm. And so if you're north of Norfolk, you're going to need 1 case of beer. If you're around the Norfolk area, you'll need 2 cases of beer. And if you're down by Lincoln and Beatrice, you'll need 3 cases. I guess this is brought to us by Rusty. Yeah, Rob Maeda letting us know the midweek storm for the West Coast is going to be intense. The rain totals are pretty big. Like if you're seeing over 10 inches of rain in spots, that's going to cause trouble, especially to burn scar areas. There are definitely a lot of juicy atmospheric ingredients at play, so please pay attention and drive safely. And if winter weather loneliness is getting to you, hang in there, buddy. We're almost to the spring. Iowa and Nebraska snowfall expectations continue to inch higher as the heaviest band shifts a bit north, and so it goes. Please make plans for travel to become difficult or impossible. Some places could get up to a foot of snow over a pretty wide swath. And so if you want to kick around and have some fun, that's cool, but just be safe and be smart, because 2021 is going to be filled with surprises. You know what I'm saying? Man, I'll take fun where I can get it. I'm pretty cabin fevered in this foxhole. You know what I'm saying? Popocatépetl, the most active volcano on the planet since 2019, continues to be active. We aren't seeing any of our black dryness marks, but the hottest spot right now does seem to be in the Caribbean, so I wouldn't be surprised if we got a Puerto Rico earthquake. Nothing too major, I hope. Looks like the Grand Canyon has been snowed over in Arizona. That's pretty impressive. It's not something I see every day. Strong winds will also be a component of the West Coast storm, although it'll be raining and snowing, so you guys won't have to worry about wildfires. That's good news, right? England, which has been having some major floods, will be getting some snow, which is also precipitation, which will melt and probably cause more problems. Atmospheric rivers and big Midwest ice tubes. This is going to cause some problems as nasty weather for the middle of the USA. And did you know Kansas City's actually in Missouri? This isn't going to please the Bring It South folks, but the forecast remains on track with heavy snow expected across northern Missouri, where 6 to 10 inches are possible. We've still got a lot of active volcanoes all over the globe, and I expect that will continue into 2022 and 2023. Here, we're looking at Stromboli volcano as its lava be flowing and active. Aloha and Konnichiwa. A storm will bring milder air, heavier rain, and threat of flooding to parts of Japan that had been hit with super heavy snow in the recent weeks. So that'll bring some localized flooding for sure. Mount Luotolok, the volcano, has also been popping off some activity with a bit of lava, some ash, and some smoky stuff. Yay. Jim Cantori let us know that Malibu got a rare dusting of snow today. And so everybody was all super excited, because who doesn't love a snow day? Except for places that get snow often. Yeah, it bears repeating. Things still appear to be on track for an extremely active weather week across California, with a slow-moving coastal atmospheric river bringing possible flash flooding and dropping a massive amount of snow in the Sierra. Okie dokie. Is everybody up to speed on that? The Suan Osejima volcano is also very active at the moment. And so is the Kluichevsky volcano. I don't know where this one is, but this one definitely is smoking just like a dragon. Dude, we got a lot of, have I mentioned we got a lot of volcanoes that are popping off right now? And have been for a while. Yeah, I think we've still got some big activity on the horizon as far as volcanoes and earthquakes. Yeah, first floods and then now snow for the UK. Oh, buggers. Where did my sense of humor go, man? All right, I'm going to go try and find my sense of humor. You guys stay cool, stay safe, hang in there. We're halfway through the dark winter. Only got like 6 weeks left, and then it's springtime. And then things hopefully will get better. So everybody stay cool. I love you. Have a great weekend night, and then let's have a great week. And let's close out January strong. Okay? God bless everyone. May the force be with you always. Let's live long and prosper together as we marvel at these light pillars brought to us by Dartanner. That sounds like a cool action hero name. I'm Dartanner. That wasn't the best action hero voice, though. Okay. Have a good night. Peace.